always agreeing with your partner, even if you have a different opinion. That is a no-no. When you always agree with your partner, even if you have an opposing opinion, what it does is it teaches them that you don't have an opinion and their opinion is the only one that matters. You're teaching them wrong.
You teach people how to treat you, huh?
Exactly.
And if you ain't no good teacher, there's gonna be failure in this situation.
So how do you fix it, right?
Yeah.
The fix is you simply have to put your foot down and let them know that you disagree.
Yeah.
You can peacefully disagree.
Facts.
You say, look, I don't agree. You don't have to make a fuss.
Yeah.
I don't agree with what you're saying. And we'll discuss it further when you're calm.
Yeah.
And you stay calm.
Yeah.
Because when you're calm, when someone else is crazy, that just throws them all off.
Oh yeah, absolutely. If they all, yeah, you did this, you did this thing, you like this right here. Just look at them. It can be unnerving.
Sure.
Cause they don't know what the heck you thinking. And then you say, I guess we'll speak when you're more calm.
Simple as that.
Simple. You know, that kind of reminds me of something. When a person's partner treats them as if their thoughts, feelings, and opinions don't count, it reminds me of that scene in Matilda. Remember that movie Matilda?
Yeah.
Where the father was like, I'm smart, you're dumb. I'm big, you're little. I'm right, you're wrong, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Exactly.
It's just like that in real life.
They may or may not say those words, but either way, that's what they mean.
That's what they mean. That's what they feel a lot of times. Reasons that not chasing after people will benefit you.
Okay.
When you stop chasing after somebody that does not want to be caught, you will avoid somebody that you desperately wanted but absolutely did not need. You know what we call that? An unintentional blessing.
Exactly. Escape that one.
100%.
All right, another reason is you'll be happier if you stop trying to chase people down for their love and their time. Think about it. You're chasing someone down for something that you think is going to make you happy, when in reality, the only thing you're going to get is more misery in return because they're constantly disappointing you.
That's all they're doing. All they do is constantly disappoint you. They give you a little something to make you go, and then they go back to letting you down and making you chase them.
Yeah. And you have unreasonable expectations of them because they're never going to meet those expectations.
At all. It's like a rat in the wheel, constantly chasing something they're never going to get. Okay. If you're looking for a man or woman to make you happy, I've got news for you. You will always suffer disappointment.
Yes.
Because whatever they do to make you happy will only be temporary. If you are looking for happiness on the regular basis, the only place that is going to come from is on the inside of you.
Yes.
Also, people always tell you happiness is a choice. It is, but what they don't tell you is that after that choice, there are some actions that come along with finding it. You have to go within and dig up all of the bad stuff that has happened to you, all of that trauma, all of those tragedies, because the happiness lies up under that.
Yes.
Does it hurt to dig up all that stuff? Yes. But so does living in misery.
Last but not least, stop chasing people for the love and acceptance that you should really be giving yourself. Everything that you need is within inside of you. You just have to dig and find it.
That's correct.
All right, guys, we're going to leave it right there. I think that's a great place to end it. If there was something you liked, disliked, whatever it was, I want you to drop it in the comments box below. Let us know what you thought.
Yes, indeed. And if you would, if you could, like, and
Share.
And whatever you do, whatsoever you do, do not forget to subscribe.
That's right.
What we got?
Don't forget to hit that notification bell.
That's it. Until next time.
Peace.
Peace.